Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I'm here with Hashtag Holiday Coloring 2024, hosted by Sabrina _crafty _journey. And here is one that I did last year. I did a witch. I made her a blonde witch. And I did a kitty cat with the jack-o'-lanterns in the fall. And those are the two I did. Yeah. Let's see if I had more colored. Nope. I started one, but I didn't like how it turned out, so I stopped. And I'm hoping I can. I don't know what I was thinking when I was doing her dress or his. So I'm going to try to fix that later. I love their eyes. So we'll see what this may turn out to be. Sometimes you start something you don't like and you move on. And that was that one. I didn't like how I started it, so I moved on. So these are the ones I have for this week to share with you. So please go check out Sabrina's channel, see what she came up with. And I will see y'all next week. Bye, everybody. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty.